a grown-ass
I won't never let me down. You won't watch me fall. I suggest you never tempt me. All I know is I'm here to take what is mine.
This is the start of my destiny.
I will dismantle you, mine. You are the puppet, I hold the strings. Welcome to my legacy. I hope you see that this was all part of the plan. You might not ever see what I see. I'm dancing with devils again. Don't you ever push the boundaries, that is my law. I am a hurricane knocking down doors. The damage done won't go away. I'll live to fight another day. You're pathetic, I wouldn't bow to me. I am a titan and I am God. Hypothetic, if you could step to me, I would devour your goddamn mind. I don't give a damn, I could eat the whole damn world. I will crush the bones of those that don't believe in me. I'm here to take what is mine. This is the start of my destiny. I will dismantle your mind. You are the puppet, I hold the strings. Welcome to my legacy. I hope you see